That first cup of coffee or tea in the morning, for so many of us, it's the way we start our day. It's how we approach the day. And to give us that great start, let's do coffee beautifully. These are some suggestions that I found for different clients, all at Gary's in Beverly Hills. Beautiful antique silver, this gorgeous Hermes coffee cup and saucer, great way to start. Match pewter, one of my favorite brands. A great Alessi espresso maker if you're an espresso drinker in the morning. More antique silver, because for me, there's kind of never enough antique silver. Beautiful cup from Bernardo. And this beautiful tea service from Muriel Grateau, because you know, how you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. So do it beautifully.